Hello. So about 2 weeks ago, I made a post about starting a new challenge. The idea was to build a SaaS product. So if you don't know what that means, software as a service. So the idea was we'll build products, we'll deploy it, and then we'll get our first paying customer on or before my birthday. I've shared other clips. If you've not seen that, you can just check my Instagram and then also on my TikTok. I posted that. But this is like long form content. I'm just highlighting all of the progress made, some of the issues I've had, and then where we are at the moment. Let me show you. So we're building a platform where brands can collaborate with influencers. And now, even as an influencer, you don't need to have like 10,000 followers or 100,000 followers for you to be able to make money. So even as a brand as well, you can just reach out to influencers. It could be 10, 20 influencers, and then they push out your content simultaneously. You get your content pushed out, and then the influencers, they make money from it. So this all right, so first off, I would just like to mention some of the challenges that I've had while working on this project. The first thing I wanted to do was to use Notion to track all of the distance and then like put everything, the whole step and all of those things. But again, it is not supposed to be perfect. That's what I discovered. So as long as it works, that's what is most important. So I scrapped all of that. I used them Google Docs. I saved all of the PRD, what is important and what I should put out there for first MVP, minimum viable product, as long as it works. So what I've been able to do so far is influence of that test. So if you come here, this is like the landing page, connects brands with micro influencers, ways to connect. So for brands, this is where you create an account, find an influencer that matches what you need, and then collaborate. For influencers, you create your own profile, you receive an offer. As long as someone needs you receive an offer, and then you get paid. It is a very simple process. So if you come to sign up here, so you come to sign up, but I already have an account as a brand. So if I check my dashboard, this is my dashboard. So I have active campaigns, influencer applications, that is people that have applied for the influencing gig that I currently post, and then I can check out like the current reach of my campaign, the performance of the campaign, and the recent activity. So here you can see that someone has applied to your summer collection campaign, then someone has sent you a message. So this is just a bunch of activities. Then if you come here, you can create your campaign. This is current campaign that you have, fitness apparel. So take whatever content you want to place here. For find influencers, you'll be able to sort by influencers and then the categories of what they do. So for instance, Sarah Johnson is under beauty and lifestyle, Michael Chen is fitness, and then you'll be able to get like a short draft of what they do and then their account. So where the social media where they're present on, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and the rest. You can send them a message, you can invite them to a campaign that you've created. Also, for messages, there's message, so you can reach out and directly interact with the influencers yourself. Okay, that's again, it's it's supposed to break. There's something I've not fixed there. Then for profile, you can also look at like your brand information, and this is what will be shown to the shown to the influencers once they try when they see your campaign. Then settings, so you can make settings change to your account name, notifications, billings, themes, and security. All of this, it's I know it's a lot for an MVP. So what I'm trying to do now is, this is the overall picture of what we're trying to do. But after now, I'm going to post a link so you can sign up even as an influencer, as a brand, and then you get early bird access. What that means is you're a better tester and then user, and then that means there's less pricing for you when the product is fully out, and then you'll be one of the first persons on the platform to monetize your content. Also, the sweet thing here is that you don't need to have 200,000 followers. With 1,000 followers, it's enough, as long as you have like engaging content. With 2,000, 5,000 followers, you can negotiate with the brand, and then they'll tell you how much they're willing to pay per content. Let me give you a quick demo. So if you see here, if I'm trying to create a new campaign, the title of the campaign, and then depending on what I want to do, so there's brand ambassador, affiliate marketing, depending, and then you can select the platform where you are most present in. That's for the brand. In my next video, I'm going to show you how the flow for the influencers work, but this is just a general pick of what it looks like from a brand perspective. So if you sign up on the wait list, I'm going to add a link to this video. If you sign up on the wait list, you'll be one of the first people or persons, companies or influencers that will be able to join the platform. It is very simple. It is very convenient. You do not need to have 200,000 followers. You can start monetizing your account even as a small account. And then also for brands, if you have content, if you have an event that you need to push out and get more people eyes on it, you can just streamline your influencers reach. If you're looking for, let's give an example, for instance, for brands, if you're setting up like a tech event, you can just filter by the influencers category, and then imagine 10, 20, 30 influencers pushing out the same content for you, and then they post the same content for you. You don't need to break the bank. You don't need to go and give somebody that has 1 million followers to be able to push your content out. You can just spread it across multiple influencers, and then they'll push out your content. So please sign up on the wait list. It is going to be out very soon. Remember, the goal of the challenge is to make money on or before my birthday, which is May 9th. Thank you.